Alright, so I think I figured out how to get this wheelie bar onto this Stampede. It doesn't say anywhere in the instructions, but after looking at it for a few minutes, I think I figured it out. So the rear bumper of the Stampede is pretty much already in place. Now when this goes on their other vehicles, I think the Rustler and the Slash, apparently it attaches to it like this, but this doesn't fit. So what I think you need to do is remove this section and then attach these to these posts here. So that's what I'm going to try. So, all right. Okay. So we don't need this piece. See that? So I'm going to attach it like this, and what I'm probably going to do is change the position to something like this. I think. Yeah. Okay, so maybe that's a little low. Let's do the mid position. There we go. Okay, and these screws go on the bottom there. This part of it might be a little bit easier to do without the wheel in place, but I think I can get it. All right, and there you go. There's the wheelie bar for the Traxxas Wheelie Bar for the Stampede, Rustler, and Slash installed on a Traxxas Stampede. Thanks for watching. If that helped you out, I would really appreciate it if you leave a like on the video. If you want to see some more RC content and some other stuff from me, go ahead and subscribe. And also, if you have any questions about how this went on there or anything like that, go ahead and leave that in the comment section down below. And hopefully I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.